Greetings everyone. I am Manjari Joshi from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune, and this video is regarding chapter Concierge of TYBAC HS.
Concierge. It is a French word which means doorkeeper, porter. The concept of a concierge came from the days of a European royalty. The concierge was a castle doorkeeper in those times. The concierge service is relatively new to the modern hotel housekeeping, though it is quite old in its concept. It is an extended arm of information desk and is located separately in the lobby. A concierge must be unusually resourceful and knowledgeable about the hotel and the surroundings community. They are also called as man about town or Mr. Known It All.
Concierge has a broad range of responsibilities that may make their career role hard to define. Many hotels actually enlist front desk staff to provide concierge. Some hotels, however, find that the front desk staffs are too busy to provide the personal services characteristics of a concierge. By adding a skilled concierge to the front desk staff, a more personal and specialized approach can be given to the guest. There are many special services which are provided by the concierge, such as making reservation for a dining in a famous restaurant. They also assist to the guests to obtain tickets for theaters, concerts, sporting activities, or any other special events. They also provide information and direction about the hotel, its services and amenities. They arrange transportation by car, coach, buses, trains. They could be responsible for arranging tours, transferring passengers from airport or other transportation hubs to cities. Concierge also provide information on culture and social events like photo exhibition, art shows, and local places of a tourist interest. They are also involved in itinerary planning. A concierge serves as a guest liaison with both hotel and non-hotel services. He should be specialized in assisting the guest regardless of whether inquiries concern in hotel or off-premises attractions, facilities, services or activities such as bank information, country information. He also assists in arranging hotel doctor as and when it is required. He should be well equipped with a brochure, information regarding sightseeing, shopping facilities around the cities. Now we will have to the next slide, which is regarding importance of a concierge. The primary importance is communication responsibility. Communicating with the customer is often the first responsibility of the concierge. This includes speaking to them over the phone and in person. Good communication skills are vitally important. Some hotels actually encourage concierge to visit corporate houses and organizations to establish and strengthen relationships. The next point is gather information. Often the concierge has a wide range of pamphlets and brochures available for the guest. The concierge will hand this out as and when needed. The concierge may make recommendation about activities that suit the guest. They will need to have fully understanding of the event to educate the guest. In addition, concierge often has maps to provide guests with the travel information. They need to be familiar with the surrounding areas as guests will often ask them recommendation and directions. Next point is handle bookings. The concierge may handle bookings for special shows for the guest. Concierge often help with obtaining tickets, setting appointments, and making reservation for the guest. This is especially true in high-end facilities and those that cater to business travelers. Last, which is very important, that is educate the guest. The concierge also provides all the information that guests needs to enjoy their stay. This may include providing information on the facilities available and the services able to be booked. It may also include providing information on the travel routes, available tours, schedules for outing, and transportation availability. Now next point is differentiate between bell desk and concierge. As we all know, bell desk and concierge both are uniform services which are provided by the front office. Now we will have a look on differentiating points between bell desk and concierge. Bell desk is an extended arm of a front desk. There are many activities at the time of arrival, during stay, and at the time of a departure of a guest which cannot be carried out from the front desk but are to be carried out very essentially in order to provide services to the guest. Bell desk looks after only the internal requirement of the guest. They control and coordinate the distribution of a morning newspaper. Bell desk maintains records of a scanty baggage guest and they also inform same to the front office. Beldesk controls the sale of a postage stamp of the guest, responsible for a paging of the guest. They carry luggage and parcels to the guest room. Beldesk looks after depositing C-form to FRRO, whereas concierge is responsible for communication with the guest, educate the guest, gather information, and handle bookings. Concierge looks after internal and external requirement of the guest. They provide the details of the city, country, transportation, banks, etc. They also looks after reservation for dining. They do booking for a flight and train tickets. They arrange sightseeing tours for the guest. They obtain tickets for theaters, concerts, sportings, etc. Thank you.
Thank you.